As a professional makeup artist, sometimes it's very overwhelming to find the right product, the right tool on the job.
So I think with the Pierré brushes, what I love about them, they're really easy for the consumer to use. So they can get that beautiful makeup artist professional finish with just 11 brushes.
Pierré was designed to fill a gap in the market as we feel the most makeup brush kits are overwhelmingly large. We've designed this kit with only 11 brushes that do everything.
It's small, it's compact, it has every tool in there to use.
These brushes are insane, they're cruelty-free.
If you want to get a professional look at home, Pierré is the way to go.
The brushes are so soft and feel amazing on your skin.
All my clients love it. It feels great on the skin, it picks up products really well, really hugs the face, it really defines those natural features. All my clients love it. You want your foundation brush? It's sorted. You want your powder, you want your blush, you want your bronzer, eyeliner, mascara, brows, you name it, it's in there.
They're easy to blend with any product that you use.
The bristles are densely packed, so it feels really soft on my skin.
And because they're compact, you can just take them anywhere, and because I travel a lot, it's perfect for me.
The bristles are super soft, silk-like, making them less irritable to the skin and easy to work with.
Another thing that I love about Pierré brushes is that due to the synthetic factor and the way the bristles are dispersed, you use so much less product and there's so much less wastage.
I love my Pierré brush. It blends and shades beautifully.
They are so easy to clean and fast drying.
The soft bristles and the way it applies makeup to my skin is amazing. It comes with a great range of makeup brushes.
I've thrown out all of my other brushes.
I've gone through my fair share of brushes. So with Pierré, what I love about them is that they are really high quality.
It appeals to everyone, both men and women, everyone can use it. It's quick, it's easy, it's great for travel, small, compact, and everything's in there. What more can you want?